Hi, I'm Colin Ziskowski, and I am the Assistant Director of the EnVision Maker Studio here at UCSD.
EnVision, the Arts and Engineering Maker Studio, is one of UCSD's premier makerspaces. We opened in 2014 in an effort to give students more opportunities for hands-on experience with prototyping, fabrication, and design. EnVision provides students with that experience by giving them access to modern tools in a large communal space to work in, as well as access to faculty and peers with similar interests. EnVision is first and foremost a classroom. We host classes from every one of the engineering department's programs, including bioengineering, nanoengineering, mechanical and structural, computer science and engineering, and even chemical engineering, as well as several classes from the visual arts department that mainly focus on arts and technology. In order to accommodate such a diverse range of subjects, we've had to continually grow and take on different shapes. EnVision originally occupied less than half the space it currently does, and all of our classes were taught right here in the Maker Studio. We offered open access hours, where students could come in to work on their own projects, for students when classes weren't in session, but before long we had lines of students down the hallway waiting to get in to use the space. Due to this demand and the obvious need for hands-on work, our dean pushed for more space and we were able to build dedicated classrooms across the hall from the Maker Studio. Now the Maker Studio is open 12 hours a day, Monday through Friday, and 4 hours on Saturday and Sunday. We support almost 1,500 students each quarter, with that number increasing yearly. In order to function smoothly and facilitate the needs of 1,500 students every 10 weeks, EnVision relies on an incredible group of student staff, volunteers, and our official student organization, the EnVisionaries. We usually have 5 to 7 student staff who do everything from fixing broken machines to hosting workshops on SolidWorks or sewing. We also have an amazing group of about 50 volunteers who donate 3 hours of their time every week to coming in and helping other students in the studio. The EnVisionaries, our student org, has been invaluable when it comes to outreach, hosting workshops, and putting together fun social events that happen in the Maker Studio. Because of these groups, we've built a large and close-knit community of makers, engineers, artists, and creators who gravitate to this space because of what they can do here, as well as the people they will find here.